Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
MP ka Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi lapan sungaw bagi patba ka Jaiñtia Hills kisha Ktah Shibun na ka Khang jo ka Jingti Dewïong. Ya kaniyo Dr. Kharlukhi ulakran bikilat patay kubor mendakas ngi ka sautrek ujemang arajar arpulai ha ka baulaong bauya sya ya ka Jingti Dewïong namar ka day kalat kamay ki Briew par ha ka jo kapor kawan ru ya ka Jingmi apo ka jela. U Dr. Kharlukhi laong ru ba ka Khang ya ka Jingti Dewïong ka Ktah Shibun ki pat nong song snong ka Jaiñtia Hills am tangi ki badio Dewïong handai ka Ktah ru ki Briew ki ba syong ha ki dukan ki badan ha ki surok ba ki ba kamay jak po na ki trok ki ba kit Dewïong. U Dr. Kharlukhi laong baya kani kamat ula thmu banra a parliament handai nakadaw jong ka jingya pat ya pra po parliament u klem ra shu ya kani kamat. Nalor kataw Dr. Kharlukhi laong banaklem ka jong u un pediang bet ya ka Jingti Dewïong namar kan yarap Shibun na kabenta ki Briew jong ka Jaiñtia Hills.
I'm for mining. I am for my people who came from Giant Hills. I know how much my people suffered because of this ban in coal mining. You see, when you ban coal mining, I'm not speaking only about the revenue that the state get. How it affected the people have walking like daily laborer. And you know, when a truck started from the coal mine, it not only served the people in the coal mine area, it served the people throughout the highway. So this is my concern. And this is, twice I have tried to raise this issue in the parliament. It was listed, but it's just my luck because of the disruption of parliament, I could not raise it. To me, I really welcome it. At least it will help my people. Because I used to tell people that you are talking about our people there who own the mine and all this, they were coal baron, which they own, or coal mafia, whatever the people here are calling them. They don't even know what is the meaning. Last time also I was asking, did they ever ask that the same people who was very rich because of coal, why they are not educated? Why not to speak of educated, why they are literate? Because I remember I live in Giant Hills. I was very small, very young. I remember at that time there was nothing for them. Most of them, they went to work as cowherd in Jaiñtia town and in some of the towns. But with the coming of the coal, then the wealth and everything comes. So this is a livelihood which I feel that we are deprived of a fundamental right of earning livelihood. So I really welcome that this step taken. At least it will help us.
Haba juba palor ka jingyo jingbet tang sawngut ki Briew na ka sarkar ha ka banti Dewïong u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi laong bangimla ban kren tang ki try Dewïong handai ngi hap ban perkhat ki batre bakta ha ki par Dewïong marula ban rap na ka baong baka bakong san kalong bamenta ka sarkar kala ailat sawngut kala ban long bahadien habut kin sadon kampun ngut ki ban yoklat banti Dewïong.
You see, we don't talk only about those coal owners or coal thing. We talk of the people working in the coal, the daily laborers and all this. Well, for a start, it is 4. Maybe they will increase it in the future, but at least we had a beginning, which is most important.